Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy 18th birthday, Bim! Happy...
Bimby Aquino nag-celebrate na ika-18th birthday niya. Super blessed dahil nga kasama pa niya ang kanyang Mami Chris Aquino. Ito nga ang ipinagdarasal ni Mami Chris na sana ay maabutan pa niya ang 18th birthday ng kanyang anak na si Bimby. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Nakakatuwa din dahil very blessed nga sina Chris Aquino sa pamilya at syempre sa kanilang mga malalapit na kaibigan. Dahil nga sa hindi na rin makakilo si Mami Chris Aquino para ipaghanda ang kanyang anak na si Bimby, ang mga kaibigan nito ang naghanda para sa anak. Talagang ito ang regalo nila para kay Bimby, ang maipaghanda ng 18th birthday. Lubos nilang napasaya si Mami Chris Aquino dahil nga kahit na nakahiga na lamang siya ay talagang nakasali pa siya sa celebration ng kanyang anak. Akala nga raw ni Miss Chris Aquino ay hindi na siya aabot sa birthday ni Bimby, kaya naman talagang malaki ang pagpapasalamat niya na nakaabot pa siya dito. Ito nga ang ilang kaganapan sa birthday celebration ni Bimby sa bahay nila, bukod pa ang celebration sa labas dahil nga mayroon pa silang celebration na inihanda over the pool. Marami nga ang nagpahatid ng mga birthday message and birthday wishes para kay Bimby. Sabi dito, happiest birthday Bim, it's your special day. Make a wish for your loving mother. My prayers for you is to grant the desires of your heart, to blessed more you. Good health to you and your mommy.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Isa pa! My life so special and wala. Speechless nga eh. Speechless sa speech. Thank you Tito Michael, thank you Tita Ann for setting this up. Thank you everyone talaga. Love you too. Thank you for everyone who came. Shoot, oo nga, baka I might cry nga eh. Okay lang. Just thank you talaga for making my life so happy talaga. Thank you pa talaga.
How do you feel now?
Ha?
How do you feel?
Siyempre happy.
18 ka na.
Nako, tugs. Joke lang. Papagalitan ako ni Mama, nako. Promise you, Mama, I won't do that stuff, promise. Mama, I won't do that stuff, promise. Thank you so
Dahil sa mabait at masunuring bata itong si Bimby, talagang marami ang nagmamahal sa kanila. The intimate celebration was made even more special by the presence of close friends, family friends, many of whom have been staying with them to help care for Chris, who continues to bravely battle multiple autoimmune diseases. Despite the challenges, the atmosphere was filled with warmth, love, and gratitude as Bimby stepped into adulthood, surrounded by the unwavering support of the closest to him. Nakaka-emosyonal para sa kanyang mami na makita ang anak niya na talagang binata na. At ngayon nga ay naabutan pa niya ito na mag-birthday at ito ang pinakahihiling niya. Hindi lamang birthday greetings ang natatanggap ni Bimby ngayon dahil pati mga warm wishes para sa kanyang mother na si Chris Aquino ay talagang ipinagdarasal din ng kanilang mga fans na sana ay gumaling na. Wishing you all the best, Bimby. You're such a great, caring son to your beloved mother and brother. God bless you all always. Also, praying for your mom's speedy recovery. Happiest birthday, Bim. Continue to take care of your mom and many are praying for her speedy recovery. Thanks be to God. Mula yan kay Angel Team Rivera. Mula naman kay Ruby Reyes, happy blessed birthday. God bless you always. Keep on caring of your mom. Continue to love her unconditionally. Get well soon, Miss Chris. God is with you always.
Yay! Happy 18th birthday, Bim! Happy
Happy birthday, Bimbi! May God continue to bless you more as you and Josh lovingly take good care of your mom, Chris. Prayers for her complete healing. Mula yan kay Gloria Vasquez. Mula naman kay Eva Kapinig Misiano. Happiest and healthiest birthday, Bimbi. Praying for your complete healing and recovery for your mom, Chris and Josh. God bless always. Mula naman kay Virginia Salas. You are chosen and Josh to be the son of Chris Aquino. Health situation in your household very imperfect, but your perfect love for each other is a perfect manifestations of God's love that will linger without end.
To be happy. And we're very, very happy with our friend. 1 year ago.
1 year ago na,
Maybe 10 months. 10 months ago nakalala namin si Mary Vilma. And because of her, super lapit lang eh. Diba, mga 45 minutes lang of San Fernando and then nasa Alto ka na.
Yes.
Yes! Si Kuya, kasi si Kuya dinalaw ka na.
Yes. I will.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Blow your candles, Bim. Make a wish, Bim.
Happy birthday, Bim. Say
Thank you!
My life so special and wala. Speechless nga eh. Speechless sa speech. Thank you, Tito Michael. Thank you, Tita Ann, for setting this up. Thank you, everyone talaga. Love you too. Thank you for everyone who came. Shoot, oo nga. Baka, I might cry nga eh. Okay lang, okay lang. Just thank you talaga for making my life so happy talaga. Thank you pa talaga.
How do you feel now?
Ha?
How do you feel?
Siyempre, happy.
18 ka na.
Nako, tugs. Joke lang. Papakilitan ako ni Mama, nako. Promise you, Mama, I won't do that stuff, promise. Mama, I won't do that stuff, promise. Thank you so much talaga.